Meaning of forlornly.
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 Forlornly. Forlornly is an adverb that describes a feeling of sadness, loneliness, or abandonment. It implies a sense of despair and hopelessness, often accompanied by a feeling of isolation or rejection. When used to describe someone's demeanor or behavior, it suggests a sense of resignation in the face of adversity or disappointment. The word forlornly can be used to describe a person who is standing alone in a desolate landscape or someone who is staring off into the distance with a look of sadness on their face.